Cooper? Cooper, did you check the mail? Hmm? Uh-oh. Did you do this, Cooper? Huh? Did you meet the mailman at the door? Good boy, yeah. Any mail for you? Move, Cooper, move out of the way. Let me check it myself. Hold on. Good boy, Cooper. Good boy. Cooper, did you do that? Hmm? Did you do that? Good boy. Thank you. Thank you.